Apparently, bank traders who saved the firm's bottom line in the first half of 2020, no doubt, are now looking at potentially not record bonuses. Let's bring in Bloomberg Sonali Basak for more on her piece that's reading high there on the Bloomberg terminal. I literally, it's so hard to move from this inequality education to like Wall Street bankers being bummed they don't get big bonuses.
Right.
What's behind it?
So remember, this year on Wall Street, a lot of people expect a really bad year, more than 10% declines in most businesses, especially those advisory bankers that are used to those big bonuses after such a big M&A boom. But now it's the fixed income traders' time to shine, and they want their time in the sun. They're already preparing for the fact that life might not be as good as they want it to be this year in terms of their pay. And what's at risk here is that they move to the buy side. That's the big sum of all of this.
How big a risk is that?
Well, it is a pretty big risk, right? At Goldman Sachs, fixed income trading revenue jumped 83% in the first half of the year. Yet by July, you saw a couple of traders already move over to 0.72. You've seen big name traders over the last 9 months or so move over to Citadel. Some of these big buy-side firms, big hedge funds, Citadel, Millennium, Balyasny, they are putting up millions of dollars and multi-year guarantees in some cases to bring these traders over. And by the way, I've heard of some traders being able to work from Miami instead. Compare that with Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan, where they're trying to bring their trading desk back to work right now.
That's interesting. And why the discrepancy? Like, why can some areas just pay more and then the banks are just getting a lot more heat?
Well, those hedge funds are big multi-strat hedge funds. They have been able to do pretty well in a rocky market. The buy side, as we know, by and large, has been having a tough year. So I wouldn't say it's all of the buy side. I would limit it to the best funds. And remember, this is happening as all of Wall Street largely will see pay significantly decline and job cuts start to mount at the end of this year.